Unlocking the secrets, how plants really grow. Ever wondered what truly fuels the incredible growth of your garden? It's more than just sunshine and water. Let's dive deep into the fascinating science behind plant growth and unlock the secrets to a thriving garden. Photosynthesis is the cornerstone of plant life. It's the process where plants convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of sugars. These sugars are the plant's primary food source, fueling growth and development. Think of it as a plant's personal solar panel. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in leaves, captures sunlight. This energy then drives the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into glucose, sugar, and oxygen. Oxygen is released back into the atmosphere, which is a pretty great side effect for us. The glucose is then used to build everything the plant needs, from roots to flowers. Plants need more than just sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. They also require a range of essential nutrients from the soil. These nutrients are like vitamins and minerals for plants, supporting various functions. Macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are needed in larger quantities. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth, phosphorus supports root development and flowering, and potassium contributes to overall plant health. Micronutrients, such as iron, manganese, and zinc, are needed in smaller amounts but are equally important. Deficiencies in these nutrients can lead to stunted growth and various health problems. Water is absolutely crucial for plant growth. It's not just about keeping the plant hydrated. It plays a vital role in nutrient transport and photosynthesis. Water carries dissolved nutrients from the soil up through the plant's vascular system. This system, composed of xylem and phloem, acts like a plant's circulatory system, delivering essential resources to every cell. Water also helps maintain turgor pressure, which keeps plant cells firm and upright. Without enough water, plants will wilt and struggle to perform essential functions. Plant growth is also regulated by hormones, which act as chemical messengers. These hormones control various processes, including cell division, elongation, and differentiation. Auxins promote cell elongation and are responsible for apical dominance, where the main stem grows more strongly than side branches. Gibberellins stimulate stem elongation, seed germination, and flowering. Cytokinins promote cell division and delay senescence, aging. Ethylene is involved in fruit ripening and abscission, leaf drop. Abscisic acid, ABA, helps plants cope with stress, such as drought. The root system is the hidden hero of plant growth. It anchors the plant in the ground and absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. Root hairs, tiny extensions of root cells, greatly increase the surface area for absorption. The root system also interacts with beneficial microbes in the soil, such as mycorrhizal fungi. Mycorrhizae form a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, enhancing nutrient uptake, especially phosphorus. A healthy root system is essential for a healthy, thriving plant. Environmental factors play a significant role in plant growth. Light, temperature, and air quality can all impact a plant's ability to thrive. Light intensity and duration affect photosynthesis. Different plants have different light requirements, so it's important to choose plants that are well suited to your garden's conditions. Temperature affects the rate of metabolic processes. Extreme temperatures can damage plant tissues and inhibit growth. Air quality, including the availability of carbon dioxide and the presence of pollutants, can also impact plant health. Understanding the plant life cycle is key to successful gardening. From seed germination to flowering and seed production, each stage requires specific conditions and care. Seed germination requires adequate moisture, temperature, and oxygen. Seedlings need protection from pests and diseases. Vegetative growth focuses on developing leaves, stems, and roots. Flowering is triggered by environmental cues, such as day length or temperature. Pollination and fertilization lead to seed production, completing the cycle. Now that you understand the science behind plant growth, here are some practical tips to help your garden flourish. Choose the right plants for your climate and soil conditions. Provide adequate sunlight, water, and nutrients. Amend your soil with compost or other organic matter to improve its fertility and drainage. Monitor your plants for signs of pests or diseases and take action promptly. Prune your plants regularly to encourage healthy growth and flowering. Support climbing plants with trellises or stakes. Mulch around your plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Plant growth is a complex and fascinating process, driven by photosynthesis, nutrient uptake, hormonal control, and environmental factors. By understanding these principles, you can become a more successful and knowledgeable gardener. So get out there, nurture your plants, and watch them thrive. The more you learn about how plants grow, the more rewarding your gardening experience will be. Ready to take your gardening skills to the next level? Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials and expert tips. Share this video with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and let's grow together. Leave a comment below and tell us what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Happy gardening!